Hello guys, I'm Aggelos, and here today we're gonna build the Jimmy Robot Tank Bucket. So this robot is a very cool device because you get to build your own robot and you can control it. It's like a DIY, make your own robot and make it do something smart and useful. Of course, you may not do that, but today we are going to unbox it, show you properly how to set up everything, and do a one-on-one instruction with my iPad here, which will have the instructions set up for us to build. Let's get started. This robot is a robot that you could build to make it programmable. This robot comes with a capability that you can use to control, pick up objects, move around, dance, and basically have a fun time with. As you can see here, I've got a code here which uses like its own inspiration of a version of Scratch, which basically it uses code here which will move the robot and help me transport things to some place or another. It has so many different controls, such as sensors with lights. Okay, it can even do math. Okay, it can do variables. But the main focus that we're going to be looking at today are the moves and controls. So the main move here is to move forward, left, right for a certain amount of time and the speed. And the control main one that we're going to be looking is the repeat execution. This execution helps it repeat the process that you're going to do multiple times. So the normal standard one that it sets you is 3. So I've made a code here, which basically as it functions, it says when this button is pressed, the execution will repeat 3 times, and the execution consists of when you move the robot will move forward fast for 2 seconds. Then it will pick this block up. It will move backwards for 1.5 seconds. It will turn left for 2 seconds. It will move fast here towards somewhere here, and then it will drop the object. And then it will come back, turn back, and have its eyes set on another target. And this will happen 2 times until 1, 2, and 3 are all picked up and moved somewhere else. So I hope you enjoy here. Now let's test the Jimmy bot to see if we can follow my controls and commands. Now let's hit the play button. As you can see, the robot is going towards our object, picked up the green box, it's turning left, and now it will be starting to descend the box. There we go. Now it's setting its eyes on the second box, which is the red one. So it takes the box, picks it up, it will come back, move, and eventually set it down. Now as it comes back, it will aim for the orange box, and this orange box is ready to be picked up. Picks it up, comes back, and it's ready for its final set down. It may come in contact with the red, but overall it still managed to move all of the boxes. Well, this was a successful run for the first time ever doing this. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this. Remember to join VRAcademi if you do want to learn more of this, and enjoy with your time.